This apartment is a bit different, and I'll show you why as we walk through. We are in the neighborhood of Vizcaya, so we are steps away from Provenza. As we walk into this space that has 141 square meters, you can already tell just by looking at the living area here, you have high ceilings, you have floor to ceiling windows as well, so you're gonna get a lot of natural light. And by the way, when you're ready to buy in Medellin, fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description, and someone on the team will reach out to you. Take a look at the view here. You get the greenery view. You're looking into the residential complex that you're in. And here's where it gets a bit different. These stairs will lead up to a loft area here, which is being used currently as a studio slash office space. And I think that's a really cool idea. That's something that I would do. If you needed a bedroom, you could convert this into one, because you do have a full bathroom here and you also have closet space. So that could be an idea, or you keep it the way that it is and use it more for an office, or maybe just even like a TV room. I think that would be kind of cool. And there's a bit of a view down towards the living area. Again, a lot of natural light coming through. So this apartment was remodeled, fully remodeled actually, in 2019. The main floor, so the first floor, has 2 bedrooms. It has the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. Behind the kitchen, which we see right now, this is the kitchen. So behind it, there is the maid's quarter. You're not going to be able to see it because they had a lot of storage going on in there, so it wasn't worth showing. But you can possibly turn that into maybe another bedroom, or just more pantry space for the kitchen. That's something that a lot of people tend to do. Here's the full bathroom downstairs for the guest bedroom. Again, this was remodeled back in 2019. The building itself dates back to the 1980s, and it includes the common areas. Your amenities are just common green spaces and children's playground. And then here's the master bedroom. A lot of space here in the master bedroom, as well as the walk-in closet that they have. Like, I couldn't believe how much space that walk-in closet had. And the master bathroom as well has a bit of space here, quite large space than most master bathrooms that I see. So this is ideal for anyone that is looking for comfortable everyday living environment, someone that's going to stay here long term. You're in a residential complex as well, so you can only do monthly rentals, so no short-term rentals allowed. And you have so much space, right? A lot of space to work with. So I'll let you guys finish the walkthrough here, and then we'll go over to Google Maps to show you where we are and what's around you. All right, so here's the property listed on our website. If you guys do want to go check us out and see all of our inventory that we have available for sale, then you can go to medellinlivingrealestate.com, and I'll have all of the details of this property listed down below in the description. But let's head over to Google Maps to show you where we are. As I mentioned, we're in Vizcaya, which is sometimes considered La Concha, which is also sometimes considered a different neighborhood called Las Lomas. But here we're just going to say we're in Vizcaya, and you're steps away from Provenza. So the yellow area that I marked out here, this is what we're going to be calling Vizcaya. Where the property it's located itself is in this red box that I marked out right here. So you're on Calle 10. Literally your entrance would be from Calle 10, so you can easily walk down towards the Vizcaya Centro Comercial, the Vizcaya Mall that they have there, where you can go to Body Fit. I believe that's the gym that's there. There's a few restaurants, and then there's the movie theaters, Cine Colombia, in this shopping center here. And then of course, I'll zoom out just a little bit. You have Provenza, where all the nightlife is. So if you really want to be close to Provenza with all the nightlife, the restaurants, the coffee shops, all of the local brands, then this property would be for you, because you're just a 5-minute walk down the hill, maybe just a 5-minute cab ride up Calle 10, and you're far away, where you're not going to get all of that noise that you would get if you were living a little bit closer. And again, this is a residential complex, and you're more in the residential area, but you're very close to Provenza. So again, I think this is ideal for anyone that is looking to stay here long term, that wants to be close to Provenza, far away where you don't get all the noise, but you can easily walk to everything around you, because you have a lot of shops, restaurants, and supermarkets close by. Well, that's it for this amazing property in Vizcaya. When you're actively looking to buy in Medellin in the next 30 days and you're cash ready and your budget is $150,000 or above, then our team can help you out. We don't just send you random links of properties around the city. We look at your criteria and search the entire market and act as your private MLS here. Since there is no traditional MLS here in Colombia, we created one, which is called the Medellin Living Search System. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So when you're ready to start that process, fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.